The caffeine-free teas. Have you heard about Goji Berry Tea? This vibrant brew, not a true tea but named so for its tannish color, hails from the humble goji berry. As a child, I remember my mom adding these dried berries, also known as wolfberries, to our traditional Chinese soups, touting their benefits for the eyes. As a dietitian, I've learned they offer far more. Bursting with medicinal and antioxidant properties, these tiny red gems can boost immunity and ward off chronic diseases. So not only are these tiny red berries delicious, but they're also packed with health benefits. What makes goji berries a top pick for a caffeine-free tea? Well, these small red berries have an abundance of vitamin A, an essential nutrient that helps regulate our immune system and shields us from infections. However, fear not, the likelihood of exceeding your daily recommended intake of vitamin A from goji berry tea is quite minimal, unless you're munching down the whole 5 tablespoons used to steep your tea. So, while the chances of getting too much vitamin A from goji berry tea are slim, the benefits are plentiful. Here's a simple recipe to brew a cup of goji berry tea. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy cooking tips. Start by adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried goji berries into your favorite teacup. Pour hot water over the berries and let them steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This releases the tea's robust flavors and healthful antioxidants. Fancy a sweeter taste? Feel free to add a touch of honey or your preferred natural sweetener. For an extra twist, a slice of ginger can enhance the tea's aroma. There you have it, a delicious and healthy cup of goji berry tea. We've discovered that this caffeine-free tea, rich in vitamin A, is a powerhouse of antioxidants that can boost immunity and protect against chronic diseases. We've learned that it's simple to make. Just steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried goji berries in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. And finally, we've found that it's a delicious way to stay hydrated. Next time you're looking for a caffeine-free tea, consider goji berry tea. It's a tasty and healthy way to stay hydrated.